Hey there, and welcome to the next series here, or the next edition of the Think WTF Chit Chat.
Have you just reduced us to a chit and a chat?
Yeah, a bit and a bat.
A bit and a baton.
Yeah.
You said what I needed to say.
No, absolutely.
But I think it's really, really important. I mean, we're right in the middle of this.
Absolutely.
We've talked about, playing it long. Thinking differently about your systems and organizations and how everything operates.
Yeah.
And now, guys, we're covering it so lightweight at the moment, but we've got
Please
to get
ask the
into it.
questions. Please ask them.
Please, we're going to work it through. We need to understand where people need help.
Absolutely.
The next one is about moving smart. When you're a fat boy like me, to do a side step on a rugby field, you've got to move smart.
Yeah, that was a long time ago, wasn't it?
Crazy, yeah, I'm still out step, mate. And he's playing Lions touch rugby now, and I can still...
You just had to put that break.
I know.
But
I can outstep Matt, you mean?
No. But you know what? We've got to move. We've got to move smart because
smart, Leon.
Move smart, Leon. What's Leon going to do with this? Who's Leon?
No, move smartly on.
Oh, move smartly on. Oh, sorry.
That's what you're going to say.
I thought you said move smartly on.
No, we've got a smart Leon, do we?
Oh God, let's just get back to move smart. What are we talking about here?
So, what does it take to move smart? Because this is awesome, right? We understand the play that we're going to go for. We've got to think about how we plan our businesses, how we're going to build, and how important trust is. We're now understanding what these new systems need to be, and we've got to start breaking down those barriers and rebuilding our own trust in our own organizations. But the move smart is actually like, what techniques can I use? There's a lot out there. People are already doing it, guys. This is not new science. This is stuff already happening. So we're going to get into it. And
absolutely,
we've tried to distill it down into 3 core areas.
Yeah, absolutely. There are 3 core areas.
So the first one is really about understanding what doesn't change in your organization.
Yes. Things that stay the same.
Things that stay the same. In insurance, people are still buying cover for their products. That doesn't change. So be very clear on what doesn't change. And now there's a whole lot of methodologies, and we'll cover that in separate video issues, versions. What? Series. And the second part is about, if you really understand the problem that you're trying to solve, then there's so much technology out there that you need to understand which technology sets are going to impact this change. So what actually is changing? Because people are like, I have to do blockchain, I have to do IoT, I have to do AI, No, you have to use the technology that's going to solve the problem
in the right way. And the big challenge with what changes is the speed of change. Because you can't be everything to everyone. And the speed of change is happening too fast for you to keep up on everything. So it's got to be relevant and within the right context.
And focused, right?
Absolutely.
We keep 100%. Talking about this. Pick something, do it fast, do it quick. It doesn't have to be big.
Yeah.
Do it fast, do it quick, focus down.
Absolutely.
And then the final part is actually how do we instill this change?
Yeah, the way we actually do it. And this really comes down to probably the biggest challenge that most organizations are facing at the moment, because they don't know where to start. It's really the leadership and the culture of the organization, and the way that you actually do things, and the way that you solve the problems that you need to solve, and the right problems.
Yeah.
So
bring all of that together. You are going to disrupt in this new era of trust.
Totally, 100%. So we'll chat about things that stay the same in the next little chit chat. What's this?
I don't know.
Okay. Sorry guys.